Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. I hope you all are good and doing well. So today we are gonna make khandviyan, or you can say khandvi or dhokli or besan ke alte palte, whatever you say in your language. So I'm going to make khandviyan. So for khandvi, here I'm taking some gram flour. Basically is a gram flour dish. If you didn't make this recipe ever, so I'm going to tell you that it's a gram flour dish. So firstly we make a thick batter, then we will just let it set, then we will cut it and add in the curry. So besan curry you can say it, or gram flour curry. So if you don't have any groceries or any meat or any meat and any vegetables, and you have to make a lunch or dinner, so you can make this. So all you need is gram flour. We are taking here 1 full cup of gram flour. So, and here is also gram flour, but I am taking 3 tablespoons of gram flour. So because I have to make some khandvi. From this bowl I'm going to make some khandviyan, and from this 3 tablespoons of gram flour we will add in the curry for some consistency or texture, you can say. So here I'm taking 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 1 full cup of yogurt, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of caram, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 green chilies, and here I'm taking a paste. It's a tomato and onion paste. So basically I've taken here 2 large size of tomatoes and 2 medium size of onion, and I've made a paste. So let's start making it. First we have to make the khandviyan. Khandvi, here I'm taking our pan. So here in my wok I'm gonna add the besan and make a thick batter. So we don't have to put on any stove right now. First we have to blend it and like make a thick paste, then we will transfer it on the stove. There are some things that we have to make it. So firstly we will take the gram flour and add in it. Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. So everything here I'm taking half, like it's about 2 tablespoons, so I'm taking 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half turmeric powder, half red chili powder, carom seeds, whole carom seeds, 1 teaspoon, and cumin. So now we're gonna add the water. Before water I'm gonna add the yogurt, which is half, and half bunch of coriander leaves, green chilies. So we will use this later. So now 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, salt to taste or salt 1 teaspoon full. So now I'm gonna add the water. We will add the water gradually. So now we will mix it. It's mixed. It's perfectly mixed now. You can check the consistency. Now we have to cook it. So as you can see, here is no lumps in the gram flour. So now our flame is on, and we are cooking it on a high flame because we have to give it a boil and keep stirring it. After 2 minutes we have to cook it on low flame because it can be get into lumps. So you can see, keep stirring it. There should be no any lumps. becoming thick now. So now it's becoming so thick. You can see the texture. Keep stirring it. Don't leave for even 1 minute or some seconds. Keep stirring it. So in this platter, I'm gonna take it out. So first of all, we have to give some oiling. So it's completely oil coated now. So now I'm taking it out. So actually the platter wasn't enough for that, so I took here a small tray and spread it evenly. First of all, we have to give it some oiling on the tray, and now it's, as you can see, it's evenly spread now. So let it cool first for like 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's completely cool now, so it's ready to cut. So I'm now giving a cut it. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now it's completely cut. I'm showing you the, yes, now this is the shape, like okay. So now it's a little bit jiggly and it's perfect. So now we are gonna make the curry. So now for curry, our oil is enough hot. Now I'm gonna add the fenugreek seed. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First we will fry this. So now we'll start cracking. You can add the cumin. Now the paste, tomato and onion paste. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, allspice powder. Mix it. Now saute it more for like 5 minutes. We have to cook this spices completely. So as you can see, our oil is getting separate now. It means it's perfectly cooking. So now I'm gonna add the salt. 1 teaspoon or as per your taste. So now it's getting separate, the oil is getting separate, you can see. So it's the time to add the yogurt. Mix mix it. This is gonna be really awesome curry. Whenever you don't have any grocery, just make this and share your experience with me. How's it? Keep stirring. See, our oil is getting separate. It means it's completely roasted now. It's perfectly cooked. So now it's time to add the gram flour. So before adding, I roasted here, then adding. So here is some roasted gram flour. Mix it. It is because for thick curry, like for consistency. So here I'm adding some water. So we have to cook it. Keep stirring it so there will be no lumps. Now it's boiling. So we will add the khandvi one by one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now after adding all the khandviya, we will add the coriander leaves on the top of it and the remaining green chilies. We will cover it and simmer it for like 5 to 7 minutes. So we'll cook it on the medium low flame and cover it. Now this is our final look of khandvi or besan alte palte or dhokli, whatever you say. So it is such a nice and delicious dish. So, and it's, you can see, you can check the curry. It's thick now. It's getting thick. So after simmering it 5 to 10 minutes on the low flame, I turn off the flame, and now this is. So after 6 to 7 hours, it will become more thick because the gram flour will soak the curry. Serve it with the hot naan or rice, plain rice. So now we will check this. How's it? And I'll show you, I'll tell you. So it's really such a delicious recipe. So must try this and tell me your experience. How's it? We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.